Hello everybody, I am Dr. Pallavi Aga. I am a doctor, I am a lifestyle consultant and I am also an avid fitness enthusiast and a runner. Today's topic is very important for all the runners and especially for the women runners out there is the Maffetone method of running. And I don't say that it's just a method of running, I would say it is the Maffetone lifestyle. The first thing I would like to dedicate this video to Dr. Phil Maffetone, whom I consider is my guru, my mentor, because he has actually taught me, given me the most important guidelines when it comes to an injury-free running, when it comes to weight loss, when it comes to building health. So thank you, Dr. Phil Maffetone, for teaching me all about the Maffetone lifestyle. What exactly is the Maffetone method? In the Maffetone method, we have to understand what is our MAF zone. MAF zone is the maximal aerobic function and ये आपके heart rate की वो zone है which is age specific, and when you are running, if you are running within this zone, you build up endurance, you build up muscle strength, you build up heart health, you start using fat as fuel, so the fat adaptation goes up and your need of your muscles for the glycogen dependence goes down, hence the carbohydrate dependence goes down, your insulin resistance becomes better, your carbohydrate intolerance goes down, and ultimately that is why I call it a lifestyle. It translates into weight loss, it translates into health, and it translates into an injury-free running. How is this MAF zone calculated? You have to calculate the MAF zone by using a simple formula, which is 180 minus age. For instance, if you are a 50-year-old person, then your MAF zone, maximal aerobic function, will be at a heart rate of 180 minus 50, which comes to 130. So your running zone should be 120 to 130 heartbeat per minute. So please set that on your watch. Wear a chest strap or wear a watch which gives you sensitive readings, and most of your running should be done within this heart rate zone. Then people will say this is like we have to start very slow. Yes, because again health is always built slowly, and once you do most of your running, and especially I would urge all the runners to use this simple method of lifestyle during their off season. That is why I'm releasing this video during this season, because now you are not having any marathons, this is an off season, so most of the running that you've done should be run in your MAF zone. For those who still want to put in some bit of speed, in spite of Dr. Phil Maffetone always telling, encouraging not to do so, you could still throw in your some HIIT, some 30 seconds, 1 minute of fartleks or 200 meter sprints, and that will be good enough for your getting over that urge to build up your speed. The most important thing is the warm up and the cool down. So most of your MAF zone runnings involves about 1 kilometer of slow and gradual warm up, and then you have to cool down and get back to almost your warm up heart rate. Why I call this a lifestyle is because it's not only about the MAF zone where you're running, it is also about the food you are eating. It is very important to take the carbohydrate intolerance checklist test, which I have already specified in my previous videos, and if you are coming positive for most of your carbohydrate intolerance checklist tests, then please take away the carbohydrates from your life. There is no need to have all those sugary sweet sports drink, or there is no need to even eat anything before you go out for your run. A black coffee and lot of electrolytes and water is the key, is mandatory, and you can ultimately start building up your runs from half an hour, 45 minutes to about 90 minutes of your running. You can do easily without adding any extra glycogen, any extra carbohydrates to your runs. You could also build up beyond 90 minutes, or you could start adding some amount of MCT oils or a little bit of fat in your coffee before you go off for your longer runs. For those who are looking into building up this MAF lifestyle, please go slow and steady, because sometimes if you are going to do your long runs without with your body not being fat adapted, you can face some amount of dizziness, fatigue, or any sort of side effects. So please go very slow and steady. Remember, electrolytes, that is sodium, potassium, magnesium, that is the key. The other thing is then how to break this. So basically the MAF method is very seamlessly incorporated with intermittent fasting. So do your runs fasted, and now what is more important is how you break your fast. Remember to break your fast with good quality protein, with good quality fats. That is what is important for breaking your fast. If you break your intermittent fasting and your MAF method of running with food which are very high in carbohydrates, or with fruit juices, or with lot of refined carbohydrates, you are completely going to ruin your health. And that is where importance of hand holding, importance of where my role comes in, where I can teach you how to break your fast. So remember, protein and fats are the key to breaking your fast. This is in very short about the Maffetone method of running. And for those who would wish to know more, or who would wish to train according to the MAF method of running, can definitely connect with me. I will be very happy to help you. Remember, Maffetone method, MAF method of running, it's not only about running, it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle based on your method of running, that is the formula of 180 minus age, that is your MAF heart rate zone. It is based on intermittent fasting. It is based on keeping your carbohydrates as low as possible. It is based on fat adaptation, and it is based on the protocol of using fat as your fuel, not constantly giving your body carbohydrates, because if you fuel too much on carbohydrates, ultimately you are going to become prone for insulin resistance, and we all know what it leads to. It leads to diabetes, it leads to hypertension, and it leads to a wide variety of lifestyle diseases. So this is in very short about the Maffetone method of running. Feel free to connect with me. Do like, subscribe, and share this video. And for all the women runners who are listening to this video today, it is the method of running for all of you, because women runners, I have seen, are prone towards injuries, are prone towards getting depression, anxiety, fibromyalgia, thyroid issues, all thanks to their forcing their body into something which they are not used to. So let the end result of your running be health. The pace can come later on. After all, the prize of every half marathon, of every marathon, of every ultra marathon that we are running today, what is the prize we will be getting? The prize should be health. It should never be pace. It should never be podium finishing. Thank you very much. Do like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you like it.